If you're seeing the ChatGPT conversation not found error, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and in many cases your chat is still there, it just isn't loading properly. So before you assume it's gone forever, try these simple fixes first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is refresh the page and then reopen the chat in ChatGPT. Sometimes the issue is only temporary, and a simple refresh can reload the conversation properly. After refreshing, go back and click the chat again to see if it opens normally. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. Next, check your chat history in the sidebar. Click the sidebar menu, usually the 3 lines or the menu icon, and look through your conversation list. In many cases, the conversation is still saved, but it just hasn't loaded yet, or it may be hidden lower in the list. Take a moment to scroll through and see if the chat appears there. If it does, open it again and see whether the error is gone. If the chat still won't load, the next step is to log out and log back in again. This can help reload your account session and refresh your chat data from the server. Sign out of ChatGPT completely, then log back in using the same account you normally use. Once you're signed in again, go back to your conversation list and try opening the chat one more time. A lot of times, this alone can fix the problem. If you're still getting the conversation not found message, try another browser or another device. Open ChatGPT in a different browser, like Chrome or Edge, or if you normally use the desktop browser, try the mobile app instead. Sometimes browser-related issues, extensions, or cached data can cause conversations not to load correctly. Testing a different device helps you figure out whether the issue is with your account or just the browser you're using. If the chat opens on another device, then the problem is likely local to your browser settings or cache. In that case, switching browsers or clearing your browser data may help as well. So to quickly recap, refresh and reopen the chat first, then check your chat history in the sidebar, sign out and sign back in, and finally, try another browser or device. These simple steps solve the ChatGPT conversation not found issue in many cases without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.